we're out in the garden today and we are going to be making nature bracelets.
Bracelets!
So it's actually a fairly easy, fun activity for the kids to do while they're at home. All you need is some masking tape, packing tape, scotch tape, really whatever you have, and a few flowers, leaves, whatever the kids are really into. We're going to show you how to make them.
Yay!
They're bracelets, secured. I just wrapped the tape around their wrists, sticky side up, and it's time for them to go explore and find some items to make their bracelets.
It looks like we're twin superheroes. Oh, baby one. I can see my friend.